2008, we felt the spectre of recession cast its shadow over Europe. The response was a forced march of public deficit reduction, with the countries of Europe resorting to severe public spending cuts in an attempt to reduce the deficit. In the wake of this harsh fiscal austerity, we have fewer teachers, schools and public services, deteriorating infrastructure, lower wages and pensions, and in some countries, ordinary citizens faced with hard-hitting tax increases. People are losing their livelihoods, homes and prospects, and our businesses are making less, investing less and paying less. Current policies have left us with 27 million unemployed in the European Union, with 1 in 5 young people finding themselves in the long queue for work. The cause of this downward spiral? Economic forecasts, influenced by free market ideology, have 3 times underestimated the damage done by austerity policies, and we are all living with the consequences. We believe there's a better way. Less drastic spending cuts combined with just and fair taxes will permit higher investment so that we can nurture Europe's potential for economic growth. Maintaining a program of reasonable public spending reductions will enable us to tackle debt while protecting the fragile core of society by spending more in vital areas. An independent study by 3 European economic institutes predicts that this policy would save 1 million jobs in Europe this year alone, every one a step towards recovery. For the sake of Europe's future, we cannot sacrifice education, health and employment to the politics of austerity. Only by safeguarding the social fabric and maintaining essential investment can we help Europe step out of the shadows into a brighter tomorrow.